So, on my last rant, right? Last time we were here, we talked about the whole crap of the Jamaican restaurants, right? So a good friend of mine, he called me up, he says, "Yo, Crazy, fry some chicken enough, man." Yeah, I said, "Yeah, man, I'll fry some chicken for you." See? So I told him I was gonna fry him some chicken. So I went to this Jamaican spot and I bought some fried chicken. I came home and you gotta test the shit, right? So I came home, I was gonna test the fried chicken, make sure it's good, because you gotta put your name on it, right? I was lazy, right? I didn't wanna fry the chicken, right? And if you know about fried chicken, the best thing about fried chicken is crispy skin, right? So we came home, we had the fried chicken. I was gonna put it in like one of my to-go box, so it looked like I made it. I was gonna lie, just to say the least, right? So I came home, I had a fried chicken, and I tried to have a piece, ketchup, pepper, the story. And they have soft skin, right? How do you get soft skin on crispy fried chicken, right? The name says it, crispy fried chicken. And who knows better to fry chicken than black people, right? And who knows better to fry chicken than Caribbean black people, right? Bullshit, right? So I say that to say this, right? Caribbean restaurant people, when you fry chicken, right? So you fry the chicken, you take it from the oil. You can't put it in a steamed container. It's common sense. You can't fry chicken crispy just to take it to put it in a container that's gonna steam it. Why make it crispy in the first place? Right? We need to stop all this, it's wasted effort. It's wasted effort. If you fry chicken, right? So you get your chicken, and everyone wants to have the best fried chicken, right? You want to be better than the Colonel, you want to be better than Popeye, you want to be better than the South, so everyone wants to have the best fried chicken. So you make the best fried chicken, and then you put it in a steamed holding area. Now it's not fried chicken again, because it's not crispy. And then you done messed up the taste, because now it's like, you get what I'm saying? You can't, crispy fried chicken, not steamed fried chicken, right? So we need to work on that. The storage or the holding of the fried chicken. When you fry chicken, it needs to be held in a hot box that doesn't have steam, kind of like one of those patty box. Or if you go to like KFC or Popeyes, they have it on heat, right? If you go to like one of those buffets in the South where they have fried chicken, it's like they have the fried chicken and they have these lamps that they put on there, and the light keeps it warm. So you need to know how to store fried chicken, right? Because that's pissing us off. The shit's pissing us off with the fried chicken. And it's not just me, I'm just saying it, but it's pissing us off. Because we get our fried chicken and it's not crispy. That's really pissing us off. So you gotta fix that. And for the last video I got 100 views. Haha. To get 100 views on like something you've never done before, that's big, right? So a call to action. What's it called? A call to action. Like the video, right? Reason why you like the video is because this is good knowledge. This is like serious knowledge for like restaurant people and like to fix your dishes. Like if you want better food, like the video, share the video, or drop a comment. Like you don't have to say much, just like let us know you agree, say yeah, I agree, or that happened to me. Like I take this thing seriously. So like the video, share. And now they have this hype thing, like if you hit hype the video, like YouTube will show it to more people. I'm telling you, this is important information. This is gonna make your life better. It's gonna make my life better, and it's gonna make other people's life better, and it's gonna make them make more money because we won't be pissed off. They're pissing us off. Then we gotta go to KFC to get the mediocre fried chicken. We need the fried chicken from like the black people spot. Just to say, I mean, fried chicken. You know, we want to come get the fried chicken. You know what's nothing better than oxtail, fried chicken, rice, and the vegetables. That's the shit right there. But you gotta do it right. So, do the right thing. Like the video, share the video, comment on the video, hype the video. And I'll see you on the next video to see what else pissed me off. Right? And as I said, I'm gonna call out some restaurants. I'm not there yet. Soon as more people start coming, I'm gonna roll up to some spots. Yeah, see what's going on over there. Crazy Chef. Big vibe. Big vibe. Let's see what's going on out there with these restaurants. See you on the next video. Every Monday and Friday, we drop one of these. Every Monday, Friday, we in your village. Yeah, we in your village.